all, welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri. So as promised, every Friday we come up with one new DIY. So this Friday it's almond in skincare. So what I have done is I've soaked almonds overnight and then removed the peels of it in the morning. Okay, so let's get started. And what I'm going to do is make a paste in a traditional way on a stone. Okay, if you don't have this kind of stone, you can just use your regular mortar pestle or a mixer grinder. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm making a paste on this stone. You can add few drops of water for giving you a nice smoothness. Okay, and see, almonds are easily available. I guess it's a common ingredient in every kitchen, okay, which is a powerhouse of vitamin E, antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids. So basically it is very nourishing, plus it is anti-inflammatory, and it is also having healing properties. Okay, so we are going to do two masks for the face today, and I'll give you variations for other ones. So let me make a paste of this first, and then we'll come to the remedies. Okay, so yeah, I have approximately taken 2 almonds for getting this amount of paste. Okay, so just mix it well. I'm going to keep this aside because this is enough for what I want for today. Then to this I'm adding a pinch of ginger powder. Okay, very little amount of ginger powder. Ginger powder, by the way, works amazingly well on acne scars as well. Okay, so this is a face mask for to remove a tan. Okay, to this I am adding small amount of milk, half a teaspoon kind, and multani mitti, a tablespoon. Okay, just mix it all very nicely, and our first face mask is ready. Okay, so always do a patch test before you apply this on the face, and then you're ready to go. So this is, a mask is ready. So what I'm going to do is just show you a small amount by applying it on the hand. Okay, so I'm just showing you a little bit of this mask. Just spread it very well. Leave it for around 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, you just dip your fingers in water, gently massage it, leave again for 2 minutes, and then wash it off. Okay, so this is our first DIY. Let's come to the second DIY, where I am taking almond paste, as I have shown earlier how to make a paste. So this is an almond paste where I'm going to add now a tablespoon of honey. Okay, then to it I'm adding oats flour. Okay, what I have done here is I have taken oats and grinded it into fine powder. Okay, mix it well, add a pinch of turmeric powder, little amount of turmeric powder, mix it well again, and if needed, if you feel this is very thick, just add half a spoon of milk. Okay, and mix well. So this is a second simple DIY which is amazingly well for anti-aging. Okay, so always do a patch test, which I already discussed. So whenever you are applying anything new, do a patch test and apply. So I'm applying it here. See, it's a nice, very smooth texture. Same, leave it for around 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can just wipe it off with damp cloth, or just wash it with a cold water. Okay, so yeah, thank you all for joining me. If somebody is suffering from acne, to the same mask you can add pinch of cinnamon powder, and that will also work amazingly well. Okay, so tomorrow I have this workshop on melt and pour soaps, which is in evening, and in morning time I am having a hair serum workshop which is oil based, water based and emulsion based. So if somebody is interested in it, can DM me or WhatsApp me on my number, and I'll be happy to guide you on that. Okay, thank you all for joining, and I'll see you soon next week with a new DIY. If you have any suggestions on what DIY would you like to hear from us, just write it in the message section, and see you soon. Thank you.